What's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another hard reset. Today we are doing the Vortex HD65 Ultra. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so bear that in mind when you're doing this. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we would appreciate that. Otherwise, let's get right into this. First thing we want to do is make sure the phone is off. In this case, it is. Oh, no, it's not off. Sorry about that. Push the power button and power it off. Thought it was off already. Alright, so once the phone's off, you can either pop the battery or just turn it off the way I did. You have your volume button, volume up, volume down, and power. And what we want to do is we want to hold the volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start by holding volume up first, and then I'll hold power. And that brings up the reset menu. Or I should say the recovery menu. Your volume up is to select, and volume down is okay. So we want to push volume up until we are at recovery, then push the volume down to select. So this should take us to the no command screen. And when we're here, to get out of this, to get to the actual reset option, you want to hold power and tap volume up and let go really quick, just like that. And that brings you up to all your reset options. And we want to scroll down with the volume buttons will scroll and the power button will select. So you either go volume up or volume down, doesn't really matter. And we'll use volume down and go to wipe data factory reset. I apologize guys, I can't talk today. And then confirm, hit the power button again. It's deleting. It's done. Now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. If you reboot, it just loads to the welcome screen. You can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up like new. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Vortex HD65 Ultra. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you could, like, subscribe, share, all that great stuff. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.